Karen Faulkner, and I'm excited to introduce you to Asana, the platform for human and AI coordination. Every company has goals, but the challenge is connecting the teams and work to those critical business efforts and operationalizing them at scale. With Asana, you can visualize what you're trying to achieve and how it supports your company's mission. As you can see, our retailer, Stuff and Things, has a goal to expand their global market presence in 2025. And one of the key initiatives in service of this is to launch 5 new retail stores. From here, you can track its progress, and you can also review all of the work supporting this initiative. And it's from here that we can see that one of the projects, the launch of the Paris store opening, is off track based on the latest status update. And it appears that the issue is to do with the flooring being overdue. As we review the task, we can see from the latest comments that the issue appears to be that the supplier we had onboarded is not able to fulfill the contract, and there's a recommendation that we onboard a new supplier that can meet this criteria. Now, Stuff and Things have set up a supplier information list, which houses all of the information about their vendors for their new store openings. And they've asked new tiling suppliers to fill in a form including their details like contact details, and also by uploading a spec of details in relation to their service. So that's what TileMaster Solutions have gone ahead and done here. Great. Now, usually trying to input this information would be a long and arduous process, starting from scratch. But now, once the vendor has submitted their information, we've set up a rule using AI Studio to help us with categorizing this information. So we've asked it to fill in the custom fields relating to the region that they support, their lead time, their delivery capabilities, amongst other things. And we can see here within seconds that Asana AI has routed TileMaster Solutions to the correct section of tiling, and it has also updated all of the custom fields, pulling information directly from their spec. Okay, so now that all of the suppliers have submitted their quotes, we're ready to go ahead and start assessing which of these vendors best meets our criteria for the Paris store opening itself. And rather than reviewing each of these suppliers one by one, we're going to go ahead and let Asana AI help us assess and review these vendors in our supplier list. Again, using AI Studio, we've instructed Asana AI to help us pick a vendor, and we've told it about what matters most to us. Things like their rating, their lead time, their price per square meter, etc. And once triggered, Asana AI will review all of the suppliers on our supplier information list, including the new vendor that we've just onboarded here. And again, within seconds, Asana AI has recommended, based on comprehensive analysis, that Tilecraft Company is the optimal supplier for our requirements. And I can also review what reasoning Asana AI has used for making this determination. So you can see how it rated against other vendors in the supplier information list. Thanks to AI, we've identified the right tile supplier, and the flooring task is now unblocked. That single decision, driven by AI Studio, has helped us to move forward confidently and protect the overall Paris store opening timeline. Now that that's done, I want to make sure that all of our stakeholders are kept updated. And so instead of pulling information from lots of different people and corralling updates, instead I've gone ahead and I've asked Asana AI to run an update for me. And it has pulled information across all of the various different tasks which it is cited here and other milestones to tell me that the construction is now back on track and that the project is now back on track. So if I want to, I can also go in here and edit anything, but I'm happy with what it has drafted. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to publish this. Great. So finally, now that the Paris store opening is back on track, we can see from the dashboard here that our goal of launching 5 new stores in Q1 is also back on track. That's a quick look at how Asana's human and AI coordination platform can help to keep your new store openings on track. To learn more or to schedule an in-depth demo, please reach out to our sales team.